Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad that you're watching. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 tips to keep your UpWork jobs flowing. So one of the greatest challenges of freelancing on platforms like UpWork or Fiverr.com or Freelancer.com or just making money online in general is how do you maintain a steady flow of opportunities? How do you maintain a steady flow of work going on? And that's what we are going to talk about in this video. So the number one way to keep your UpWork jobs flowing over and over is by seeking new opportunities. So the first step in keeping your UpWork jobs flowing for you is by seeking new opportunities regularly. And what does that mean? I have nothing against the popular saying that a bird in hand is worth 10 in the bush, but I have come to learn in the freelancer world that nothing is certain. As you strive to deliver the gigs that you have in hand, you have to keep your options open for any new gigs that might come your way. The last thing you want to happen to you is to be swamped with so much work in 1 month, and then come the following month you have no freelancing opportunities to work on. So to avoid this very familiar scenario, here are 2 tips to help you regularly seek new opportunities. So tip number 1, make it a part of your regular schedule to seek new opportunities. So you want to make it a part of your regular schedule to seek new opportunities. In my case, for instance, I have set a goal of 1 to 2 new opportunities every week. And the beauty with the UpWork system is that it enables a freelancer to seek anywhere between 2 to 25 job opportunities in any week, depending on the freelancer's profile. I also make it a point to go outside of UpWork to platforms such as ProBlogger.com, to platforms such as LinkedIn to seek any new opportunities that I might have. So that is one way of making sure that you're always seeking new opportunities regularly. The second way of making sure that you're always seeking new opportunities regularly, a second way of making sure that you're seeking new opportunities regularly is by maintaining a blog and consistently posting on it. And why is it important to maintain a blog and consistently post on it? 2 main reasons. So number 1, by regularly posting on your blog, it gives you an opportunity to have a profile of work that you can show to your prospective clients. Apart from providing you with that platform to showcase the work that you have done before, maintaining a blog and consistently updating it improves your writing. The more you write, the better you become. I'm going to leave a link at the bottom about an article how you can start your blog today and have it up and running in less than 10 minutes. And also, I have a very special link with the bluehost.com, and if you set up your blog with bluehost.com as your hosting platform, you get up to 63% discount with my link, and you'll only have to pay like $2.95 a month to have your blog hosted. The second way to keep UpWork jobs flowing for you is to maintain contact with your past clients as well as your existing clients. And why is it important to maintain contact with your past or your previous clients? 2 main reasons. Existing clients are not only a source of new work, but they are also potential referees to new clients. This applies more so if you deliver your work on quality and on time. Therefore, it's important for you to stay in touch with your current clients as well as your past clients for your own good. And here are a few tips of how you can maintain contact with your existing clients as one way of keeping your UpWork jobs flowing. So number 1, if you already maintain a blog, include them in your newsletter emailing list if you have one. Number 2 way of keeping contact with your existing and past clients is by following them on social media and keeping in touch with them through social media. Number 3 way of keeping contact with your existing and past clients is by recommending their products and services to potential prospects. And the number 4 way of maintaining contact with your existing and past clients is by simply sending like a New Year message, a Happy Easter message, or a stay safe message, stay home kind of message. That goes a long way in making sure that you maintain contact with your existing and past clients as a way of maintaining your UpWork jobs flowing for you. The number 3 way of keeping Upwork jobs flowing by meeting agreed upon deadlines. One easy way to build trust among your clients is by delivering quality work on time. Failing to meet a deadline not only harms your reputation, but could send your client's entire business down the drain in a day. So the number one way to meet your deadlines and to keep them is by being realistic with your client at the very beginning of the assignment. There is nothing as destructive as misleading a client just in the name of getting a job. The number two way of making sure that you keep and maintain deadlines is by taking on limited assignments based on your availability and your skills. This day and age of very limited work and a lot of competition on Upwork, it's very easy to say yes to every client that comes along your way when you know very well you should be saying no. So in the very end, biting more than you can chew not only leads to failure to deliver on time, but at the same time, in the event that you beat the deadline, the quality is more likely than not to be compromised. Number four way to keep Upwork jobs flowing for you is to maintain positive feedback on the Upwork platform. There's nothing as powerful as word of mouth or third-party marketing, as they are an easy way of getting new clients on board and maintaining your existing ones. Freelancing platforms such as Upwork have a review mechanism where at the end of every assignment, both the client and freelancer get to review each other, and the rating is available publicly for potential clients and potential freelancers to see. Quality work delivered on time, therefore, guarantees a positive 5-star rating for you on Upwork. Additionally, personal websites or blogs are an additional way of showcasing the positive feedback from your past clients. Again, I'm going to leave a link at the bottom of how you can start your own blog in less than 10 minutes, as well as a link to the Bluehost platform whereby you get to host your blog for as little as $2.95 a month. And on top of that, you get a 63% savings just by using the link that I will leave at the bottom. So there goes 4 tips of maintaining Upwork jobs flowing for you that have worked for me. What tips are you currently using to get new business? Share with us in the comments below. Thank you for staying up to the very end of this video, and I hope with these tips you can keep Upwork jobs flowing for you. And if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button, and remember to hit the notification bell as well, so that every time I post a new video, you will be the first one to know. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.